Valley Gallery Handicrafts Furniture Center, SWAT. A unique center for antique and handicrafts furniture, handmade traditional style furniture and other items. Different variety in many sizes, small and large. Satisfying your taste and choice with economical rates. Home delivery to all Pakistan, order through OLX. Proprietor Ikramullah and Rahmanuddin. WhatsApp number 031390611171, 034295957929. Our email ullaikram271@gmail.com. Our website www.valleygallery.com.pk. Facebook Valley Gallery Handicrafts. Address Madin Road, Nazd Government Primary School, Dakodak, Landa ke Sawat.